All right, so in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to convert if you have a PDF like worksheet or something like that, that's multiple pages that you want to assign to your kids so they can edit. This is going to show you how to do that. If you just have like a 1 or 2 page one, there's actually probably a simpler way than this. This is just really good if you have multiple pages. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to ultimately turn your PDF into a Google Slide presentation that we can send out to the kids. All right, so the best site I've found to do this is pdf2go.com. So once you're there, there's a section here that says PDF to PowerPoint, and you click that. And then from there, you could just upload your PowerPoint. So you would just upload your PDF. So you can upload your PDF, and then you can just hit the start button once it's uploaded, and it'll process for you. And then once it's processed, it should download automatically for you. So then it'll download your PowerPoint for you. All right, so once it's downloaded, you just go to your drive and then upload the PowerPoint. So I've already just gone here to new file upload, and I've chosen the PowerPoint, and there it is, okay? But we need to get it into a Google Drive. So there's 2 more little steps. So if you kind of right click on it and you hit open with, there'll be Google Slides as an example. And so when you do that, you'll see it's still gonna open kind of as a PDF, a PowerPoint. See how it says Microsoft PowerPoint format? You really need it as a Google Slide. So once it's in here, you'd have to go here and hit File, and then you'd hit Save as Google Slides. And then it'll turn it into a Google Slide presentation. So now you've converted your PDF into a Google Slide presentation. So now, when you assign it to students, they can edit, write on it, things like that. So the way to do that is to go to your Google Classroom and just create an assignment. So you go to classwork and create an assignment. And then from there, you just make a copy of every kid. So I'm just going to call this PowerPoint and add it from Google Drive. My new slides that I just made. There it is. And make a copy for every student and assign. And now when you do that, they will be able to write on it. So it would look like this. So here I am as a student. So they'll get something like this when they open it, and they can just click on here and hit scribble, and they'll be able to circle things or add text box to whatever you'd like them to add it to. Okay, so that is the best way I found to give them a PDF that they can edit.